tini. Iwan na sin mga panaiwan nila, especially kan Honorable Habib Tupay Tilong, Congressman sin 1st District. Ari ko pamatalo sininlalaungan ko, mga iyo ako kanyo waid, mamisara, bilang hambuk anak, bukun bilang hambuk mayul. Inadlaw ini pitsarwa sin bulan September, bukun sadya mahal ka kaku, asabab, pagukab tanyo sin bago municipal tanyo. Adlaw ini, siya sabo na isab sin family na adlaw kapag bata. At our birthday, mamang. Kaya dyan, nuruni sa itan. Iwan na isab si Mabu, ay ka-39th wedding anniversary sin Dua Maas na mo. Ni Governor Abdul Sakur Hemtan, iwan ni Haji, nuruni sa itan. Alawam sadya sinang putag 4 bulan, dahil sin kalingkod ko, bilang mayul sin maimbong. Timanda magtuin, paminday sin kahalan, iwan dagbus sin maimbong. Liyo sin subanaw taala, na inang kukusog, muna-muna in support, iwan encouragement sin mga maumaas ko. Mga taymangod ko, kakampungan masuk malayo, labiluan na, in baugbog, iwan kasilasa sin rayat sin maimbong. Mahuli, salamat Aidil Fitri Pakatan, magsukul, wassalamualaikum warahmatullah.
Present to you the Honorable Governor Abdul Sakur M. Tan. Sir.
A'udzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Muna-muna, hiyari namin guest of honor who will be properly introduced later, together with his wife. Of course, the host municipal mayor, Mayor Samir Tan, Vice Mayor Pando, other mayors who are present. We have the mayor of the capital town of Hulo, Mayor Amin. We have Mayor Halun, Mayor Hayudini, Mayor Jikiri, Mayor Normina Burahan, Mayor Sintiraya Tulawi, Mayor Abraham Burahan, Mayor Iming o Bapangutaran, Mayor Arthur Muksan o Basyasi, Mayor Berto o Bapandami, Mayor of Lugos, Mayor Mayor Orden Aspadon, Ilay at Jamebia katumtuman tini. Mayor Siasi, Mayor Muksan, of course. Members of the Provincial Board, of course we have here the Brigade Commander Colonel Valdez of the 2nd Marine Brigade, our friends from the U.S. Forces headed by Major Gomlak, of course the Battalion Commander of the 2nd Marine Battalion stationed here in Maimbong, we have Colonel Darakan, the Chief of the Philippine National Police here in Sulu, we have Colonel Pereira, mga barangay officials, iban si namin mga konsyal, si municipal, yari biyayaon, may natin yari Mayor Jing Long o parang Chiefs of Office, mga CSOs, civil society organizations, of course, other guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen, of course, si Mrs. Nurunisa Tan, this affair would not have been, would have not taken place today if it were not because of Mrs. Tan, because this happens to be the birthday of Mrs. Nurunisa Tan. And some people were asking me on what my gift could be for Mrs. Tan. And I told them that the best gift that I could give her is my being very loving. Muntik ko raw makalimutan. Hindi na makakalimutan dahil nag-iisa yan. Anyway, again, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Muna na malaki pagsarang sukul ko. I'm very, very grateful for the presence of everybody today. Again, to me, this day is also made historic because this is our 39th wedding anniversary with Mrs. Tan. So I find her as the most beautiful wife of mine, as I am left with no choice because she is the only one. Kita taniyo biyayaon adlay ni namin kahalan si namin Maimbong. Several years back, ati ko mga we have another mayor, Mayor Daud of Batapul is also here. Magkulang maglabi mga kabataan tahon. Wayroon timindog da indihay ni uno-uno structure atau building daig namayan hawak to sinamin ama ko ini mapuas sinamin wakto sinamako as the first elected mayor of the municipality of Maimbong. So actually, it was also my dream to become the mayor of Maimbong. For when I was in college, I was made to introduce the person of the late Ninoy Aquino as our guest speaker during the affairs of the Sulu students in Manila. And I found it very inspiring as his case was, or his cases were always celebrated. He being, or as he was also the youngest mayor of his town. He became, I think, also the youngest governor and became the youngest senator. So I have always dreamed of becoming also perhaps the youngest mayor of this town. But I failed. But I look at it as a positive event in my life. Though, or perhaps if I became mayor, I would not have become governor. So, in aminama ko, yari biyayaon, first elected mayor, yari kaya ko kubol, da hindi, guwasin amin adini, hatudyo, ini maripalawa ko. But I'm very glad my father was the first elected mayor, and now I'm also proud that my son is also an elected mayor. Although I did not become mayor of Maimbong, my father was the mayor, and now my son is the mayor. Not only have they become mayors, I'm sure my father, if he were alive today, even in his grave, he would be very happy for his son to have risen, even I think, beyond him, or even risen above him. Although they say that the water does not rise above its source. Sumakawa, itata niyo ulaw na yung tubig, di makajari tumaas, dahil ngamin giyuan niya. Baka mano siya, kusog sinawa subhanahu wa ta'ala, labi ko, singkamaasan tanyo, banginanak tanyo, kakitaan tanyo, yan na sinamak ko, pikilan ko, lando ingkog niya, kita niya, namin, sinamin mga anak niya, ini abiyay ni hangkan ini wala ko pinda lang ko mayolin ni na pinda ho ni municipal yari ra asal da original da hindi na dihalukalin ni nagdaray giban sinamin kubol sinamako supaya kakitan niya kajakahan niya inhinang sin amin apo niya biya na sinami mayor si Maimbong abiyayaon. Nadamik yan biya na simbaran ko pikilan ko labi ingkog ko imbaya ko bangsa upama imayor si Maimbong amin lumawi pa ikay hinang niya dahil kako batsawa binagi ko kaniya tumtuma bang alta da inakikago lang ko sinama ko inhibit ko kay mo inalta magkaubos da amuray di magkaubos si kapusaga ko kay mo tumtuma sadya bini sinaming ngan marayaw sa baba mo na yan hindi magkaubos pusaka ikabintari hadunya nangkan ipatatuod barayaw in rayat sinaming Maimbong. 61 years ago, dahil hindi ako piyaganak. 61 years ago, sambil ako limag ko. Ang kanda, kakilaan ko namin itong ang tauri katan. Kaingatan ko katanin namin lugal diya Maimbong. But di ako simuling. Nangkan, inene, bukon ko sa biya panais, hakatan, malaingkan. Ini pangayon ko, mga panaiban tanyo, aparinta, labiluban na aming mga LGUs. I hope this will serve as a catalyst for the other LGUs to emulate for the development of the province of Sulu. Of course, you can always well say that Maimbong is like this because I am here. But let me assure you that I am also there with you. What we need is just the initiative from you. I am governor not only of Maimbong, not only of my family, but I am governor of the people of Sulu. So, ronay ni panawag-tawag ko yung tiyagnaan sa NSA namin, Municipality of Talipaw. Tausog lang ko matagi sila. Bangaon nakakitaan nila, amin. Simingod na isab sila. Namunay ni namin marayaw, bangaon nakakitaan, himinang nakita niyo sin. Amin marayaw biyasin, pagina mga municipal building. Tagna, himinang namunay namin, municipal sin kuan yaon. Talipaw, ayari adya City Raya. Na sometimes lang kuya, maingat natin yung mga babae ini mag-parakan sinamin biya, pagparintaray sinamin biya uso. Sabihin, Kapitol, ayin, municipal na Maimbong yaw, biyalag ko Kapitol. Amin na Talipaw yaw ito. Ha? Mayora? Nabalengkan, nayari na isabi Maimbong. Dungog ko yaon na sa nagpinang plano namin tapol. Pagpahinang na sa municipal niya. Ngayon namin mayor siya namin. Pati ko niya, nagre-repair si municipal niya. Mayor Ming, law niya kako kahapon, agabi. Iparayaw niya namin municipal niya. Damig ka ni Mayor Jesse ni. Yaw de sa yarayaw ni municipal niya. Na Mayor amin. Amora, magpatindog na sinamin. Biya municipal, bakas kabustakan yaw. Ha? Napatindog na. Sabi, dayawn pa. Ha? Na Mayor, si Pandami, damit yan. Laong niya, pagpainang ako lang niya, bungalow type. Laong ko. Inagi ko kanya. Ayaw ka mo magpahinang. Sa ukat na kita niyo, laong tayari kita halupasok. Biya babaon kita. Ipakita ta kanila katan. Hatao ba nila sa bilad dunya? Sa bataw na magbibisita marikato. Sin, entaw tarindi, maingat magdaparinta. Maingat apamayway niya. Patsabab in civilization. Remember, civilization in the Philippines started here in the south. And it started here in Sulu. When Sulu was still a sultanate. It was a sovereign state. Trading started here in Sulu, and the seat of government of the Sultanate was in Maimbung. They call us today as a backdoor. We were not a backdoor. We were a front door. We were trading with China when China was still known then as Katai. Or in fact, even the Sultan of Sulu was invited by the Emperor of China to come and visit mainland Katai. So we were not a backdoor. In fact, we were an economic emporium. For the Sultan of Sulu was communicating with all of the monarchies of the world, including the Prince of Wales. So biyayan in the richness, in daya, sinamin history. But at times, I feel that it is so unfair for the historians of the Philippine history books to have dedicated only so much of the chapters of the history of the Philippines to the history of Sulu. Bagyaw na karon sa sayaw, there is need to rewrite the history books of the Philippines and dedicate more of the chapters of these history books to the history of the Muslims in the South. Landoy namin daya, sinamin history. History ni Kabi. Kisah. Kisah. Saan sila sinamin hulatan niyo. So kaya sa kita niyo, very proud. That's why at times I would wonder, do I call my people as a tribe, the Tausug as a tribe, or do I call the Tausugs as a race? Just a while ago, I was talking to our friends, American friends. Kita di maloko. If we were a province, look at the political landscape of the world, the geography of the world. Kakita mo rin doon, yan lang din, Arabian Sea, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the South China Sea, the Celebes Sea. Sumakawa, hambog na, inamin banglong niya Tacon Province, hambog na aon, Sulu Sea. Dahil Pilipinas, aon, wayron, isang Sabah Sea, wayron da, Malaysian Sea, wayron da. That is why there is need for us to know our history, our past. Ang bata ni Rizal, ang hindi marunong lumingon sa pinanggalingan ay hindi makakarating sa paroroonan. Sakan na, lando ako makug, pagkita ko, namin museum, namin National Museum tayaw na Capitol, Piarayaw, Himisistan, kita ko lang subay dayon pa magbalik, bat sabab, subay ta, kaingatan, inamin salsila, sinamin bangsata. Namoy ni, anjar ka o, tuan? Amoy ni, kabayaan ko, kuat, ibalik. Amin, wakto, sinamin mga sultan na kaunayat to. Amin, maltabat, sinamin Tausug. Maltabat, sinamin Tausug. Amin, wakto, sinamin pagsultan. Although I do not wish to bring back the sovereignty or the sultanate because we have legitimate government, yaon. Sumakawa, I just would like to bring back the glory, the grandeur, and the dignity of our people as a race. So, ayarin sa mayor sina Panamaw, Mayor Abdurrajak. Biyayanin namin maksud sa kita. Bagoon ta, batiyon ta katan, inrayat ta, supaya kaingatan nila, kaingatan taniyo katan, bang unoy namin liabayan taniyo. Nangkan, dahil di Maimbung, murah-murahan, mainangin isuntuan, sinimin kita niyo katan, ini mga kataw tamanguran ko, kamayulan, mga board members, labi luwan na, namin, a guest of honor ta, na tabangan tanyo ang katon tanyo ipartabat sinulatan nyo ini bangsa tanyo tauso na mauli inang magpaba magsarang sugultod ako kanyo katantan Mrs. Tan, happy birthday and happy anniversary. And Mayor Samir Tan, congratulations for this beautiful edifice of yours and the people of Maimbung. Mahuli, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.
Kalpuunan tayo ni Dainagkanda Alexander the Great. Bukon ini kami. Alexander the Great. So intuhuan si Mayor, susulong ko sa tuhuan sin ina na kalasahan. Amo na ino ang pagdatong sin nagdasin, nagpasaplag sin ka Islam. Amon karimul makdum. Hasimunol. So amo na yan intuhuan ni sin ina niya. So magpaamon tuhuan na ini Dainagkanda Alexander the Great. Iwan dahin ha, amun supi missionary din ng Makkah, nagpasaplag sin akam Islam. Biyayan. Sampil kita nyo, akan na intausog, suway hadya kita nyo, amon na proud, iwan ipakita dahin kita nyo bidda, hakaywanan races diha Philippines. Inshallah. For the introduction of our guest speaker, may I call on our municipal administrator, Alpar City Hasiman.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. In this momentous day in the municipality of Maimbung, we are honored with the presence of a man in the real sense of the word needs no introduction. Siya ini kakilahan bukod sa Jariya Lupasug, sumakawa, saplag na, sampay pa House of Representatives, iwan pakahula-ulaan ako asim Pilipinas. He can be regarded as a quintessential politician, for he has served as mayor of Municipality of Parang, a presidential advisor, and as a provincial governor of Sulu. As a first-time congressman of the 15th Congress, representing the 1st District of Sulu, he chairs the House Committee on Muslim Affairs. And as member of House Majority, he also sits in the House Committee on Agrarian Reform, Appropriations, Aquaculture, and Fisheries Resources, Local Government, Mindanao Affairs, National Defense and Security, Peace, Reconciliation and Unity, Public Order and Safety, and Social Services. Di na kita niyo magpawa, mga tuan mga rayang, the Honorable Representative of the 1st District of Sulu, Habib Tupay Tilong.
All please be seated. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Sugpat pa yung kaptangan ko ini. Ha bulan Ramadan nanay ko dengkato o patadlaw padlaw ini. Makauna rin nga katan, itukbal ko in jiyara ko kanyo katan. Muna-muna na pamangod ko hi Governor Tan, panak ko hi Samir Tan, the Honorable Mayor of the Municipality of Maimbung. Mangod ko hi Hadja Nurul Nisa Tan. Sartana sin mga katan, elected officials, vice mayor, councilors, barangay captain, sin municipality of Maimbung. Pakatan, amin nga rin nakahalder, hamay natin eh. Dahil halong sinbigi jantong ko, iban sin asawa ko kalasahan, amin weron ikaruan niya tunggalisesan niya. Kaya jasit tirasidam loong. Yung kami ban gobnol nagmimiting na, nag-ison na. Nainang nakaulong ko gobnol, nainang nako gobnol, nainang nako congressman, nainang nakausap congressman, pasalan, in policy ta, love one and die for it. So wag na kayong mag-alala mga Mrs. Tan, Mrs. Long, wala na kayong kaparis. Our energetic, dynamic man of vision, determined in his capacity as Chief Executive of the province, Honorable Governor Abdul Shakurtan, members of the board who are here today, mayors of the different municipalities throughout the province of Sulu, our Armed Forces representative, Colonel Bardis, representing the Armed Forces of the Philippines, the guardians of peace and law and order, not only in Sulu but throughout the country, our brothers from the United